Ka Samla Riya Suting ka Samla ka balawan ra e ka nam job na ka lumpung yokop thei bhabriu ka bala pelong da ka PNI India hajala Goa ka lapen pau ka jing Sngewnguh e ki Paidbah jong ka Meghalaya ki bala ai ka jing kershan bapura bakan ra e ka nam job hakani ka jing yokop thei bhabriu ka Samla Riya Suting ka lapha e ni ka jing Khublei Sngewnguh lingba ki lat pathai Khubor ha ka jing kendu jong ka ha Shillong Press Club ha ka arpun rutrik unai lor.
They then cover the English so that we can target the entire Northeast. Because first of all, good evening everyone, and thank you so much for your love and support since day one. It's a complete honor for me to be representing my state at a national platform, and what is even more wonderful is we got to win the main title, that is the Miss PNI 2025. So na entire Northeast and na Meghalaya ditang mga hi contestant bani siya. They done hi kiwi contestant na kiwi state in India bani contest. So it was a 9 days of pageant organized by Malik Isani, and we got to compete, and it was a very professional training. Niladon kiniki professionals baki lawan ki communication field, ki ethics field, Isabella Menon, Grand Miss International 2022 our training. And then we had a thorough competition from prelims to introduction round, and then the finale PCLIU inhi hako YouTube laya Krishan naka support jong PCL nalasung and then finally nalayo manrayo majing jump yaka kursuting jami yaka family jama and then yaka staging then nagwaban I could be Khubor Krishan man ados meaning, and I wish you support me more in days to come. So, pinya prakhat bali kanika Miss PNI kalam, like it's not conventional. You might have seen some contestants that they don't look conventional. When I say conventional, that means they don't look of a certain height and a certain figure. The main reason why it gives me courage to participate in Miss PNI is because it is an inclusive platform. When I say inclusive, it means it celebrates women in every shape, form, and diversity. So I'm proudly saying that my co-contestant, there was a transgender who was a co-contestant, there was a married woman who was a co-contestant, plus size, short height. Otherwise, a girl of my age who is just 5'2" and 31, I would hardly have any platform to go and compete. And this PNI India, they did not see any background where I come from. They just purely celebrated me as who I am. And then I was announced the winner on the merit list. So a big thank you to everyone who have been a part of my journey, my friend here, my family, and everyone who have been a part of this journey. My special thank you to my collaborators, Kong Biani, for this beautiful attire, Kong Mary from MJ Boutique, Nangta Kishikun Kiniki designers Bakila collaborate Banana, Christina Monica from Bangalore, and also Rui from HM Fashion. So thank you so much for all the love and support. My heart is filled with gratitude. And I hope in days to come we see more participants from Meghalaya and also from Northeast. May we see more winners coming forward and winning the main crown and the main sash and bringing pride to our state and to our people. All over India. Kidden contestant na Jammu Kashmir, kidden contestant na Mumbai, kidden contestant na Bangalore, Kerala, Northeast, Meghalaya. So we were all over 20 contestants.
Ngadi tu biasa dah Suting, ngadi madu jeng Riya. Te nak lihat jeng madu kumpulan kesam, ngapen pau jeng Khublei, yagi media, kibana tu bersedang, suami ini Indonesia mentah, kila akan pen pau yagi syabab, bakin ke publicity bagi orang, bagi beliau begitu. Te dari hadu katu kesini rupa ijab ru, hendak sangat. Kani kejing ya rak kejing kersian juki nalenda. Kapenlong tu yang ni diberi kepada ni nak Shillong dan Northeast mengintip siapang jui, mengintip siapang kini ke competition. Kembali ila debatai bahkan ni competition ke compare di kibai pak. Hendrai ni mai kini ke competition kalau bagi pediang lut ya baru ki long kemi ki Samla ki bawan hakadur ke bakun nuru ki pediang lut. ki compare ni contest ka competition ki bagi jui le simenta tinggi ku na kalian kayi kesan ni ai kata kajing kersian let ban mensia ni hoi hangim la banja le lang sidu setai nama ngi don lagi kam ndai wala kata ru lagi jing tuai ni ken mau yi akap nakapor sepor ni text ni phone kumno mentah sni filong kumno ni kersian kata karukom bat kajing don bentalang kum kayi kesan kana ai mensia susu te kawai ke bang ajo ban hat kapor kalong ba la ka dei khatu ka kamru ka family support hi ka dei ba kam tam hoi tangi dalam don kifan sibun hinggai lada hat family ngimyo ka jin support mo ni kata ka jin tristom ka jung iru kalong le lo e kam tam kumiriya beli kun suat imdan su imei pa te idan kam ini kum ki mama ki nana ki para arkemi ki men ki para ki ban support kami te kata ken ka ba don kam tam nak bentakan nu punu ka jin yakun la ka dei kanu nu kalian ru ka family support ka di don kam tam tengah ada jin kubelai lu ipi ki media marlo kubelai po ini berkunju iki bahiyen bahasan ki parlok jing Riya bat katu gat ni ki parlok jongar ki biya dalang hadi mo ki bayar support lang mentang jing i tengah ada jin kubelai be pilai pelai por bakodor jing hi bahnya poi lang ha ni por nak mentang ni jing le burong ka ba ni kum kayen kesem ni la pen kre ka mentang jing i kubelai si
should be something that's going to dapat dijisung yang day warna green baru mau itu kita visual nanti masuk ke dalam press conference. Nah kalian jadi penting kan untuk parlo ni ada di tempat ya parlo di bahaya ki kursuting baru nang ta ye ki parlo para jo pakham tam ye parlo na kani ke jela ke jumi blaka shanting e na ka bentai Riya insa aini ya ka babnya siapang kani ke jingyo jui kani ke jingjok ya kani ka benta ka bamenta insa aini na kalian jumi kum kayeng kesem ni bau jing so khantam ki media baro ya ka print and electronic media na do kasi baningkong ki la ay kashan ya ya kayeng kesem jumi hi baro ko we la ay kashan da ka ba ki pelai ki Khubor pi pen itho be imi khmat na kani ke jela jumi panele chimenta ha ka PNI arhajar apusan ka ba long hagua ka balasdang na do ka khanyo tarik ka bakut hadu kasi apui tarik jong ta ubna ti idon hangim ta Riya Suting ipade nongjo ya kani ka PNI apusan insa IP ya ki jingtep ki baba bnya halo jong kani ki jingjok ka jumi